Buying a property at auction couldn't be easier. The process is fast, simple and secure. A viewing enables you to check the property and confirm your initial interest. Once you have viewed the property and you're interested in bidding, the next step is to register or log into your account. You can locate the property you're interested in through our simple-to-use search bar. Once found, you have access to legal documents and further property information held online. Once you have reviewed the supporting information and are still interested, you can add the property to your watch list or view the current bid or bidding history. You can also check the remaining time on the auction countdown clock. Before you bid, if successful, you will be required to pay either a reservation fee or a deposit to secure the sale. Reservation fees are payable when a vendor opts to pay no fees to sell through the auction and is therefore charged to the buyer. The reservation fee does not form part payment of the purchase price, and you must consider this before bidding under this basis. If a deposit is required, this will be deducted from the sale price due upon completion. If at any stage you would like to discuss anything regarding the auction process, our dedicated team are on hand to help with any of your queries. It is important that you check which basis you are bidding on, which can be found in the Fees and Charges breakdown section. All properties are either offered for sale through an online auction or placed in an upcoming live auction event. This will be confirmed here and here. You are now ready to bid. Good luck! The next stage is to place your bid. You can bid online, by phone, or you could always bid live in one of our auction rooms. Once your bid is successful, you will be required to sign the reservation contract and pay the relevant fees and/or deposit. Buying via auction secures the transaction, therefore removing the fear of gazumping or renegotiation. The whole process has a fixed timescale of either 28 or 56 days to complete, depending on the auction method. The process is open and transparent, as all of the information is readily available. For more information, fill out a contact form on our website and we'll give you a call. Or call us today